going to do a video on unboxing my DT box here. You see the big box here. This is from Crafter's Corner. I have some yummy goodies inside, and that's what we're going to see today. So hang in there. I'm going to open the box now, and then we're going to see what are the products inside. Just got it in the mail yesterday. Been waiting to open this and show you all what's inside. So join in the excitement. New products here. As you know, we had the Crafty Feast in June in Delhi, and I had attended that, and it was all about the new products from Cadence, and that's what is going to be inside. You see all the Cadence products, at least some of them, which have reached me now. That's a big box, so I'm just going to move it aside and take things one by one. You can see that the box is really big. Yep. Excited to open one by one. So we see what's inside. Some packaging and what's in there. I'll show you. So we have products from Cadence, like I said. This is the gold wax, Pico wax. Nice. I can see myself using this in future. And then we have the Cadence 1ish Plus. Okay, and this is their sea sponge, herbal sponge it's called. Look at the lovely texture in the sponge. This is going to be really good for decoupaging and putting in paints on any surface. It's going to give a nice texture. So that's there. And then okay, so we have this roller here. Again, adhering paint onto any surface. That's for that. And, excuse my ripping part here. So nice. I see a lot of paints here. We have all the fabric sprays. Art and hobby. This is again from Cadence. Lovely green, teal, and then this pink. Right, so let's see them like this. One there. And this is the Crackle Glaze. Oh yes, who doesn't like crackle? So I definitely see myself using a lot of this in the future projects again. And then we have the Highlight Magic Metallic Paint. Again, this is gold. Okay, so that's there. Some more. Relief paste again from Cadence. This is again a nice gold. Yes, a lot of metallic shades here from Cadence. And then there is also relief paste in glitter gold. Alright, that's a lot of gold then. Okay, and then we have Vintage Legend, the Antique Gesso. And this is a colored gesso, mind you, and this is Bordeaux, the color. Some more, we have the Boton Effect, again relief paste, which is going to give a nice vintage look to many projects. And then there is Cream Foil Bond. This is using with the foil, a glue. And again we have the Antique Gesso, and this is in Fresco. So we have two Antique Gessos here. And then, okay. I have the stencil spray. Yes, one important thing, whenever you are stenciling, you do have it moving this way and that way, so I think this is going to fix all those problems. We have the Cadence stencil spray, adhesive spray, and then this is the candle paint. Yes, with the festive season coming, I think candles and colors will go a long way. This is a lovely green, emerald green, and we also have the candle paint. No, this is not the candle paint, this is the Dora textile paint. Yes, and it's a lovely blue with shimmer. Like I said, a lot of metallic paints here from Cadence. And then one more spray here. This is black. Yes, this is black. So we have the sprays in here. Okay. I have these stick-on new transfer collection, which is water application, and then you can't see it now, it's like a lace. Yes, so I will be using this in projects later, and then you will see what this is. So as of now, what I can tell you is this is a transfer sheet, and water is used to adhere this onto the surface. Okay, so that's one. And then we have stencils, the home decor stencils. Some nice sizes and nice prints here from Cadence again. So stencils. This is another big stencil here. Okay, so 1, 2, and then I have the transfer sheets. These are the iron-on transfer sheets. Lovely collections here. This is from Dress My Craft. Okay, so what I've got is this one, the owly finish here, and then this one is from Cadence, and we have the meow, the cat here. That's the iron-on transfer, and this is again from Dress My Craft. And what's in here? I've got some flowers here. These and these are also from Dress My Craft, which is the flowers. So yes, so that's in my kitty as of now, and I will be working on these products from next month onwards. So tune in and subscribe to my channel so you can see a lot of tutorials happening from next month using all these products. I hope they are all in the frame. Let me just, yeah, so that's all that I have with me right now. Okay, so I'll be working with these products, and I will see you soon with some nice tutorials. Hang in there. Bye bye.